In philosophy of self, self-awareness is the experience of one's own individuality. Self-awareness does not occur suddenly through one particular behavior. It develops gradually through a succession of different behaviors, all of which relate to the self. Individuals become conscious of themselves through the development of self-awareness. This particular type of self-development pertains to becoming conscious of one's body and one's state of mind, including thoughts, actions, ideas, feelings, and interactions with others. The monitoring of one's mental states is called metacognition and is considered to be an indicator that there is some concept of the self. Other species, from dolphins and rats to monkeys and bantams, have demonstrated metacognitive ability. A decade of research suggests that, like humans, animals can differentiate between what they know and what they don't know, and that animals can think about thought. Psychologists call this metacognition, evidence of sophisticated cognitive self-awareness. Studies have shown close correspondence between the performance of humans and monkeys in nearly identical metacognitive tests. They have found that rats are capable of reflecting on mental processes. Crows can analyze their own thoughts. Pigeons have knowledge of their knowledge. Chimps think about their own thinking. And think about what others are thinking. Apes recognize false beliefs and know when others have information that is wrong. They know when they are right and others are mistaken. Introspective awareness is awareness of one's own mental states, such as feelings, desires, and beliefs. It is clear that other species are aware of their mental states because they intentionally seek out substances to change them. Dolphins seek out pufferfish toxins, known for their narcotic effect. Mandrills dig up and consume the roots of the iboga plant to dull pain and increase alertness before dominance contests. Wallabies seek out opium. Bees seek out alcohol and fermenting nectar or old wine bottles. Other species knowingly seek out psychedelics to alter their mental state and relieve boredom. Bighorn sheep seek out mind-altering lichen. Deer, moose, and caribou seek out psychedelic mushrooms. And jaguars seek out DMT. Just like us, animals take specific drugs for specific purposes. Horses in pain will hunt for willow stems because that's where aspirin comes from. Studies found that rats and mice self-medicate for anxiety, and when given the choice, they self-administered anti-anxiety medication, but only if they were anxious. Animals are aware of their own mental state, and they are aware of their own knowledge. Researchers showed that they can have confidence in their own knowledge, they can lack confidence in their own knowledge, and they can have confidence in the knowledge of others. Social animals need to know who has the most knowledge and experience when making decisions about who to follow and who to lead. They need to know who knows more than they do and which individuals are the most informed. Pigeons replace misinformed flock leaders by collectively choosing to follow better-informed individuals. Groups choose to follow leaders with the most knowledge and experience, and choose the most experienced watchers to spot danger. There is now a general consensus that great apes understand others as agents whose actions are driven by their goals, intentions, perceptions, and knowledge. Intelligence is a trait that animals look for in each other. Showing off how much you know or how smart you are can increase your status in the group. I am often asked whether primates that innovate new skills become more popular. This experiment provides some of the first evidence that this might be the case. We were able to show clever lemurs, some of our earliest primate relatives, increasing their social centrality as the result of their problem solving. Animals learn about each other and use this information to make flexible social decisions when forming social relationships.